Greetings everyone and welcome. My name is Kris, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create a shipping plan for your Amazon FBA business. Now, if you don't have a prep facility that will do this for you, or if you're in between prepping facilities like I am, this is going to help you out. We're going to go on the computer step by step and do this. As you can see, I've got a couple more tubs of these packages right here, and I'm going to drop those off right now. But before we go ahead and get into that, I want to announce the 1 hour call giveaway right here. Feel free to reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram and we can set that up. And going forward, I give 1 hour free call every single video from now on. I'm also joined Steemit, which is a great, if you guys aren't on Steemit, I would recommend looking into it. So I'm on there, and give me a follow on there as well if you like my content. As always, let's go ahead, hop in the computer and get to work. What's going on, guys? So let's go ahead and get right to it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our manage inventory, and then you're going to click on manage inventory and then the listings that you have created. So after you create some listings, they're going to pop up in your manage inventory, and you're just going to check the box or boxes of what you want to send in. So once you have them selected, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this little tab up here, and you're going to click in send replenish inventory, and from here you click yes, continue. And what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create a new shipping plan. And from here you're going to enter in the amount of units that you bought. So let's say I bought 10 of this item and I bought 5 of this item. You go to continue, and the next step is you want to determine who's going to prep these. Now, I always prep them. You can have Amazon prep them, but there will be a fee. If I'm doing this myself, I'll just click merchant, which means you. That means like any bubble wrap or anything that needs to go on this item, you will be doing it. This needs a poly bag. Some items need poly bags, some items don't. So now what we're going to do is the next step is, do you want to label them or do you want Amazon to? I want to label them if I'm doing this myself. If Amazon does it, that'll be additional 20 cents per item. But we'll just leave it for Amazon to do this. And then we click continue, and then it will tell you the facility of where this is going. So this is going all the way out to Baltimore, Maryland, and you can view the shipment contents right here. So it'll show you all of the contents. Sometimes it does split these up, but you can set this up to where you don't have to get them split up, where they'll send them all in a package. But I will say though, it does end up costing you more because they're going to have a fee for sending it to the same place, because then they're going to have to move it around themselves. And it actually may take longer to upload in Amazon's system. So in reality, it's probably just best to send them wherever they tell you to. Normally I send in a lot more than just this. So now right here, you click approve shipments. So these are all going in the same thing. So what I'm going to do is those boxes that you saw earlier, they're all going to be in one box, and then I click work on shipments. Another thing, guys, let's say your page deletes and you're like, how the heck do I get here? Or like, let's say something happens and you just want to get here. Just go to your inventory and click on manage FBA shipments, and you can find this shipment, whatever shipment you're working on there, and you can just click on that work on again button. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to click on, I always click on small parcel delivery, and you can choose between FedEx and UPS. You're never going to want to really use anything outside of FedEx and UPS, because you're going to get Amazon's deal here. They have partnerships with these two, like just accounts with them, and you get to use their deals, which is awesome. Like I believe I sent, it was like a 40-pound box into an Amazon facility for about $10. It was really cheap. Now, I usually use UPS because it's slightly cheaper and a facility slightly closer to me, but they're really about the same price, to be honest. So now that you do that, you click on how are these going to be packed? Everything in one box. Do you have more than one box? So you can't have boxes that go over 50 pounds and maybe they're just full. So you can do everything in one box, which will pull up this information right here. So expiration date, I need to put that in there. Box weight in pounds, and then you don't need to put in the dimensions, that's optional. But something else you can do is more than one SKU per box. So if you have less than 15 boxes, what this will do is, let's say I have 3 boxes, so I've got all my stuff in 3 boxes, and then you put in all that information. So let's say box 1 has 4 of these, 2 of these, and it weighs 10 pounds, and then this one had 1, and then this one had 0, and then this one weighs 3 pounds, and then this one had 5, and then this one had, we'll say 0, and then this one weighed, I don't know, 11 pounds. And then you click confirm. Oh, expiration date. Okay, confirm. And the only reason this error message popped up is because I didn't enter the exact quantity. Like, apparently I didn't enter in the right quantity, and that'll let you know that, right? So like, if you didn't enter in the exact quantity that you had listed on your items that are going to be in the shipment, it'll let you know, which I didn't do apparently. So basically I need to do this. Okay, we should be good now. Yep, okay. I forgot 3. So then it confirms, and so let's say it calculates 24 pounds. You click calculate, and you click accept charges. Now I'm not going to accept this because this is just a trial shipment. You click accept, and then it will get billed to your Amazon account. And this one, because it's going all the way to Maryland, we're looking at 24 pounds. That's $1 a pound. That's really expensive. That's on the most expensive side you're going to see on Amazon. Normally I'm getting about 20 to 50 cents a pound. This, because these items are going to Maryland, it's charging more. You click accept, then you click print box labels, and then they'll go on the box, and then you can either have the carrier come pick them up yourself, or you can deliver them yourself. It really doesn't matter. I believe FedEx does charge $4 per package though, if you want them to come pick it up. UPS, I'm not sure what the charge is, but that's it, guys. I hope you got some value out of this, and I'll see you in the next video.